This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Hilmar Castillo. 1921 bungalow in beautiful Fountain City. Electrical, plumbing, roof, HVAC, paint, tile, privacy fence done in 2016. Original hardwoods, interior doors/knobs and casements and fireplace hearth.Open floor plan, large eat-in kitchen and soft close cabinets. 9 feet ceilings west/crown molding and large windows. Large walk-in closet in master bedroom. Second bath features custom mural by a local artist. Large attic west/plenty of storage plus walkable, unfinished basement. Spacious backyard with screened-in deck, a 6'x8 workshop shed, new brick planting beds, space for a fire pit or pergola. Current fire pit does not convey. Detached 1-bedroom/1 bath mother-in-law suite, built in 1950, with full kitchen, walk-in shower, and closet, original pine hardwood floors and fenced yard. For more information,